Hello friends. Today we are going to see star arcs function in Python. So already we saw the functions, how we can call different types and execution. Now we are going to discuss star arc function. These functions give very good advantage in Python. See, if you are knowing the parameters, in and out mode parameters, then what you can do, you can declare and you can call it out, but you are not sure what are the parameters you are going to give, then you can mention it star arcs. Then runtime you can pass as many parameter as possible and we can call this function and make the operations happen. So example, what I did, just I design the function to sum the values. See, and here I am starting the main program. So if in the Python, if we are mentioning hyphen hyphen name hyphen hyphen equal to, this is a hyphen hyphen main underscore hyphen hyphen, then the main block it's starting from here, that is the instruction we are giving. Then what I give, just I am giving one input, user input. So if I am passing the one input, I am taking one input value, then I am calling this add value function. So here just I mentioned star arc, so I can call it with single value. So if user input is 2, then I can call it with two values and we can call the function with the two values. 3. So this is the way you can call it as much as input taken from the user. So this is the way in the application how the user is passing the input. Based on that they design the functions and they call it out. Okay, they just I am running and show it to you. Okay, so just this is the function I created. So first one, just I am parameter going to pass. So enter the number of parameter going to pass is the first. So I am going to pass one. So one I am passing, just I am entering 100. So then it's giving 100. So it's not adding anything. So calculate sum is 0 plus whatever the value I passed. So next one is I am going to pass two values. Example, 200 and another one is 200. So just it's going to submit total value 400. Next, I am going to pass 3. So 300, 300, and 300. It's 900. See, the thing is, I'm not changing anything in the function definition, just the calling method. I'm changing it. So it's always coming from the front end. So front end or user input. Based on the user input, we can call this function and we can handle as much scenario as possible. So what we have, if you want to pass few values um, from the hard coded and few parameters you are not knowing it, that time also what you can do, first in the beginning you can declare the values. Say example, I am doing it here. So first value 01, just I am putting it here, value 01. Okay, so then star arcs. So first parameter we can pass it with the parameters. Rest of the then you can based on the input you can pass it. That's the way also you can design it. So always in the uh, right side at the end you can put star arcs in before whatever the value parameter you know, those parameter you can keep it. Okay, that's the way it will be very handy. So most of the real time projects people use this function star arc function to work on it. Okay. Thank you friends. Please share your comments, subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.